With a Gradelink website, you're getting a solution with the best of both worlds. World-class support with record-breaking response times, and the flexibility to manage your own site with the help of our comprehensive training tools. This means you're not 100% dependent on a company to be able to make changes to your site, which translates into no hidden fees for making changes on your website. We give you full administrative access to the website, so you have the power to add other administrators and make any type of changes or revisions. We have a comprehensive website course that will set the foundation for learning how to make edits on your website, as well as a library of tutorial videos covering step-by-step processes for specific tasks on your website. New videos get added to the tutorial library on a weekly basis, and if a video does not exist for your particular question, we'll make one for you.